a little nest in our umbrella on the deck. And there's a mommy and her little chickies in there. I'm only doing this through the window, so it's not as good as I would like. I certainly don't want to scare them away. Can you see it? Huh? Look at the nest. Look at the long tendrils on that nest. Isn't that way cool? Okay, I'm going to go to a different window. Oh, see? See? Oh, looky. Oh, looky. A mommy and 3 little babies. What are they going to do? Oh, I missed it. Oh. They're gonna fly? Oh, mommy's got food. Oh, I hope I didn't learn that. This is so cool. I'm sorry about that wiggling. Can come back with more food for them.